Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can print Google Calendar on your mobile phone. So here, what you need to do first is open your browser. In this case, I'm using Google, and then first search for Google Calendar and go to the page. So don't click on this page directly, but open it in a new tab, because if you click this, the app will be open, the app on your phone. So you need to use the Google Calendar on your browser. So I'm going to long press and click on open in new tab. So let's open the Google Calendar, this one. Okay, so this is my Google Calendar, and to print it, you can just click on the settings icon, the gear icon in here at the top of the calendar, and find print. Click on that, and this is the print preview, and you can always adjust the print settings. You can adjust the print range, you can adjust the view. For example, I'm going to go with auto, and you can also adjust the font size and the orientation. And here you can also select the color on a source style. After that, you can just click on print. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.